Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain how we can write the decision making programs using the Python. So when we are speaking about the decision making, we will be using if else and nested if. So these are the things we will be using for the decision making. So let's see how we can do this in a program. So firstly we try the if statement. So let's assume a value to A and a value to B. So first I'm using just a single if statement. So if A is greater than 10, you need to use in this way: if space A is greater than 10, if space a condition, then a colon, then print your result. If the condition is true, this will be printed. Print A is greater than 10. So I have completed this. So if you press and enter again, the value will be returned. So now the value of A is 15, so 15 is greater than 10, so the output is returned as A is greater than 10. So in this way we can use the if statement. So next is if else statement. So now we have declared two variables A and B, so we can use that. So if A is greater than B, print A is greater than B, else you have to give in this format, else you can print B is greater. Okay, so now if we enter, we will be getting the value. So in this way we can use the if and else statement. So how we can use multiple conditions? So like if A is greater than B, a condition, print A is greater. Else if, so we can use the second if statement like this: else if both are equal, A and B are equal, you can print A and B are equal. Else print B is greater. So in this way we can use the nested if statements. So these are the statements we can use for decision making. So here we have entered the print statement in our next line. Even you can do the same line also, like let's use the first thing itself: if A is greater than 10, colon, print A is greater. So in this way also you can use. So these are the various types we can use the if and else statement and nested if statement. So in next program I will be explaining what are the loops we can use in the Python programming. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.